I want to use a football argument to make a cricket point this evening. In this whole excitement of the JFF presidential race, one of the candidates, Mr. Craig Butler, expressed the view that Jamaica can not only qualify for the Football World Cup final, but we can get to the final game and actually win the World Cup title. And you don't know, people start rubbish to talk and say foolishness and that it is unrealistic and it's a pipe dream and Jamaica will never win the Football World Cup and blah, blah, blah. So in comes the Maverick now with the bet. Set your money. And the bet is that Jamaica's senior football team, the Reggae Boys, will win the Football World Cup before the West Indies team get back to the top of the world in Test cricket. Oh yes, with all the inadequacies and the lack of systems and structures and the absence of a football philosophy and the lack of financing in the football. And on the cricket side, with all the glorious history and the long and storied tradition and legacy of West Indies cricket, my bet remains that the Reggae Boys will win the Football World Cup before the West Indies get back to the top of the world in Test cricket. And I want you to listen to the argument carefully. I am not saying Jamaica will win the Football World Cup anytime soon, or if they will ever win the Football World Cup. I am just putting my money where my mouth there and bet anybody who willing to bet that Jamaica will win the Football World Cup before the West Indies rule Test cricket again. Now you're all bright people, so go figure.